What's up, guys? How is everyone doing? Sorry, it took me a minute to get set up, but I think we're all set now. Should be. Let's see if it's coming on. Should be live, yep. So what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Oh, let me turn that off. There we go. What's up, Public Awakening, Fat Boy Pup, Harry, Fanbase, Bubba, Vickery, Joel. So, had a nice little move today. It looks like we're probably, let's look at Litecoin first real quick. I'm going to look at this falling channel we had here. I don't think we're going to pop above it here in the RSI. I believe we're probably going to cool the RSI down a little bit before continuing up. Let's take a look at the daily RSI. Daily RSI looks good on Bitcoin. What's up, Henry? Sharmack, John, Lloyd, R. Wilson. So it looks like we got some rejection at the 21 EMA on the daily, which is no big deal. I want to just make it known that I still believe it's possible we come back down and test this again, maybe around the 9100 or so. It's possible. Let me see the 4 hour real quick. We almost hit my target from this morning at 10,179 range, which was the target off of this reversal diamond here. I still believe it's possible we could get one more leg up and hit that. I do believe we're probably going to correct in here, but I don't know that we have to correct that hard. It's kind of, look at the 1 hour RSI real quick. My phone's going off. Sorry, guys. Let me turn this down. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. All right, so yeah, if we look at this, actually, look at the 1 hour. Actually, the 1 hour is doing a nice correction in the RSI. Looks like it's resetting for another leg up. Let's zoom in real quick and take a look. And guys, I'll get to the comments here in a minute. I want to kind of try to figure out what's going on here. Let's do that. Pull another one up here. This is the area I want to watch. We could dip back down and retest this down here around the 9800. Definitely possible if we break out of that triangle right there. I'm gonna do a little measured move off of this breakout here. If we are to break up from here, guys, in the next couple hours, we'd be looking at the 10.3 range. Let's put a price label in there real quick. We'll have to keep an eye on it, see what's going on. I'll get into the chat now. And Azteca, what's up? Harlan, what's happening? Kevin, how are you? What's up, Steve Hubs? Will not post any more scam crap from Crypto Crew. Just was frustrating to look at his bearish Elliott wave scenario and blasted him for it. Yeah, scammers, man. They'll do anything. And a lot of the times they just try to scare people into buying their shit, man. What's up, Boston? Yeah, yeah. That's cool, Crypto Zombie. I'll get a hold of you as soon as I'm done with this live stream. I'm probably not going to be on too long. I just wanted to get on. That was a pretty nice move we had today. All good, man. What's up, Jason? Definitely looks like our RSI is resetting. We may get another push up, but I'd put a line in here to watch on that RSI. Like I said, it looks like the RSI is topping out on Litecoin on that. Go back over to Litecoin real quick on the top of this channel. So keep an eye on that. It's not to say we're going to have a big hard correction, guys, but we could come all the way back down here on this one, guys. But it would be, if we do drop all the way down here, we would probably get some, yeah, it'd be definitely hidden bullish divergence. We would be putting lower lows in the RSI and higher lows in the price action. So I do definitely see our leg up to at least this area. And then, but like I said, we could come back down, retest this line, but I do have this measured move of this channel that we broke out of going all the way up to the $11,000 range. So definitely an area we want to watch, guys. Crypto Zombie, so we need to get Crypto Savvy on the channel. Definitely, man. We'll definitely do a collab vid. Lloyd Jones, you guys rock. My 2 favorite channels. Awesome, man. Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Crypto Zombie too for posting that the gold Bitcoin comparison chart on his one video. I got like 1,500 subscribers in like a day. That was sweet. I appreciate that, man. It's tough getting videos out. James Corbett said, Savvy, traveling to American ballparks and taking you with me. What's up, Hessel? Yeah, let's watch this, see what happens here. This could end up being more like, let me zoom in a little bit. The more I look at this, the more I think, and I want to make these lines white too so you guys can see them good. I appreciate you guys stopping by. My wife had to do some volunteer work. She does some volunteer work for a dog rescue, and they're at a ball game tonight, so figured I'd get a quick stream in. We may end up forming something like this. Just have to keep an eye on it, see how it plays out here, guys. But I definitely see another leg up here. What's up, S. Jennings? You think Crypto Crew monthly video is not valid? No, I don't believe that's gonna happen. Not to say it couldn't happen. I mean, I used to do a lot of Elliott Wave. I don't use it as much anymore. But I mean, it is a possibility, but I highly doubt it, guys. We are in a parabolic bull market, and I'm sticking to that. I've been saying it since I started making videos in December, and I'm gonna stick to it. Yeah, we're parabolic here, guys. I want to look at something too. People were talking about a death cross. It was looking like a death cross. I know the 3-day one, I don't really care about the 3-day. Not enough people to watch that to make that valid. But as you can see, our RSIs are turning back up here. How do they look in the 4-hour? Or I'm sorry, my EMAs. EMAs, I had my 8 cross, my 55. So yeah, we may see a correction here, and then hopefully next will be the 13 crossing the 55, give us another leg up, and then if we get the 21 to cross, that'll be extremely bullish. We might be getting up to our 11,000. So Henry Savvy on Litecoin, how hard will the correction be? Like a number 90? Well, let's take a look at it. Depends on what we form here. We could just form a downward channel and come up, but you can't really judge the price by the RSI. You kind of got to watch how it plays out. But let's take a look at it. I did have my target at 103. What time is it? Yeah, we still got time. Does look like we popped out of this long-term rising or falling channel we had here. Just a little bit. Hopefully it's not a bull trap. But I'm still looking at this 103 area, and then if we break that, you know, we have another measured move. But the measured move of the breakout of this yellow channel here is right around that 128 range. So I definitely still see that possible. And like I always say, guys, it doesn't mean it's going to shoot straight up. You know, we're going to have resistance and stuff in there. These are just my targets if I'm correct on the moves. So the bull run could be really quick and take everyone off guard. Hell yeah, it can. Look what it did in 2017. I mean, it just crazy, straight up. Ravi's P, I was waiting to get your opinion as I value your TA. Did you ask a question? You think Crypto Crew monthly video is not valid? Oh, yeah, I think he jumps on anything he can. Like I said, he tries to make everything a big mystery, so you'll buy his shit programs. Charmac, hey Savvy, what do you think the run on LTC will cap out before the big correction? The big correction, you mean after the bull run? After the bull run, I'm still looking at Litecoin to be between 500 and 1,000 if Bitcoin gets to the 46,000 range. Too many people zoomed in. Exactly, Anthony. Everybody's looking at this little stuff, man. When in doubt, zoom out. It is not that bad. Still a extremely parabolic bull run. Look at this from 2017 in Litecoin. Look at this correction we had here. This was a huge correction. Everybody thought everything was dying. I think we're in extremely good shape here, guys. Let's look at Bitcoin. And like I said, I think we're still in good shape with Bitcoin. We could come all the way back down to this 9,800 and retest the top of this channel and then move up from there. But I do believe we're going to continue up. Yeah. Just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. I do want to let you guys know, too, in the description box below the videos, you guys know I have my affiliate links in there and the link to the Discord. If you don't already belong to it, definitely check it out. It's an awesome community. Super friendly crypto community. Lots of people in there. There's always people in there to answer questions, and you know there's a lot of knowledge in there. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. But I did add my newest one. It's Crypto Watch. This is owned by Kraken. As you guys know, I have a Kraken link in there too. For anyone who wants to do smaller leverage trading, you know, 5 times leverage. They do offer 50 times futures, but this Crypto Watch, you can link your exchanges up to it. They have 23 exchanges now. When they I had a meeting with these guys and had to actually sign paperwork. This was a lot different than you know, normal links and stuff. But anyway, these are all the exchanges they have on there. You can link all your exchanges to this one platform, and that way you don't have to, you know, keep switching back and forth, and keeps track of your portfolio. There's a lot of tools in here. I haven't really checked it out all the way yet, and that is my link in the description below is a 15-day free trial for the basic. So definitely check it out, especially if you're trading or anyone that just wants to really keep an eye on the market. They got a lot of cool tools on there. Definitely check it out if you get a chance. It is free. Like I said, they give you the basic free for 15 days, and the link is below the video in the description. So definitely check it out. If it works for you, great. If you don't like it, no harm done. It's free trial. Chase said I might order you a beer after all. I threw a G at Bitcoin today and did it in a sleazy way. Nice. Thanks, Edward. Smash the likes, guys. Everybody is eyeing the futures gap at 8,500 Bitcoin. Yeah, and I'm not saying that's not possible, but I am saying it doesn't have to happen. Not all good gaps have to fill. And this is a totally different type market than that, you know, they're used to. You know, with the Bitcoin market being open 24/7, and the futures gap is, you know, that's just a regular weekly exchange. So I don't know, take it how you will. You know, do your own due diligence and what you think. I know it doesn't have to fill, and I honestly don't think it's gonna fill. I think it's gonna make a lot of people miss the boat, but that's my opinion. If I had $850 to invest right now, what would be my game plan? I would do my own due diligence and really look into what's going on and see what I, you know, feel best about. There's a lot of people that have a lot of different opinions, man. The best thing to do is gather your own opinion. Crazy Geek Freak, don't leave coins on exchanges, just the one you trade. Yes. I do have a link, a ledger link down there too, to get a ledger wallet and keep your crypto safe. Get them off the exchanges if you're not trading them. 808 Crypto said, hey Savvy, how high do you think we go on the Bitcoin bounce? On this one, that's what I do think that we're going to let the RSI at least cool off here for a little bit. We'll probably start our next candle maybe and come down to possibly the 9800 area. I'd say between the 99 9800 area, and maybe continue up from there. Really have to watch and see how it plays out. Let me look in the 1 hour real quick. But it's kind of looking like that. Like we'll have a A, B, C, D, E. So we may only come down to, it'll be between 9800 and 9900, I believe. Crazy Greek Freak, thanks for the tip, man. Appreciate it, brother. Thanks for all your support, man. All you guys. I've noticed most all your names in here. You guys been around for quite a while. I really appreciate it. Paul Bear, Savvy, what do you make of the U.S. regulators driving Bitcoin price way down in the coming months? I don't pay attention to the news and stuff. I just pay attention to the charts, man. I believe everything's in the charts. I really do. What's up, Anthony? I've never tried Trezor. I started with Ledger and I like it, so. Aroused Penguin, hey Savvy, do you have any opinion or open positions? Yeah, I have a bunch of longs. I still have a long from way up at 11.2, but I entered up a bunch more longs on the way down. So yeah, I'm still in a lot of long positions. Like I said, I swing trade. I don't do that day trade crap. And I hold my Bitcoin and Litecoin, so no matter what, I've always got my bags filled with Bitcoin and Litecoin. I kind of look at that 8,500 just like the 6,000. Everybody thought for sure 6,000 was going to be huge resistance. And I always go back to that. And you can see what happened. There was no resistance, none. It just blew right through it. And there was people that, lost a lot of money here shorting that, thinking there was going to be resistance. And I think we might see the same thing here. A lot of people miss out because they're waiting for that under 9,000 Bitcoin so they can get a cheap Bitcoin, but it may never come. They may be FOMOing in it, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 grand. Ace One, what will Bitcoin halving price potentially? Nobody knows for sure, man, but I'm still calling for the 46,000 by the end of the year. And by next year, around the halving, we could be in the 6 digits. It's definitely possible. Crypto Biker said, what do you think about mem coins? I don't even know what mem coins is. What's up, Gopi or Gopi? Sorry if I mispronounced your name. Meme tokens? I don't know. I don't have an opinion on it, man. And thanks for the tip, Ace. I appreciate that. But yeah, Bitcoin having, $100,000 maybe. I think I'm being conservative at 46 by the end of the year. Dark Horse said I'm scaling in now. Just bought back into LTC today. Yeah, I remember 6K, Anthony said. Yeah, and that 6K, I was making fun of people when I was making my videos back then. If any of you guys watched it, you know, I'd say everybody, you know, shorting at 6K. I said, I'll see you FOMOing in back in at 7,000. And sure enough, that's what happened. Litecoin at the halving, 115. I don't know. Litecoin may be up in this 128 range to the 150 range by halving. Honestly, I still think this is a cup and a handle forming here. And we're coming up to form this handle. I believe when we get the big move back up to around the 150 range, it's going to be the break of this white trend line right here. I've got a long GBTC trade since February to March 2018. Got in too high, but DCA is down in March 19. Near even now. Will look good by end of the year. Nice, Steve. Swing trades less stressful, man. Smurf Herder said, Savvy, what's your favorite burger joint? Five Guys. No, I take that back. Red Robin. Red Robin's got some kick-ass shakes too. Libra is a pass. The future is Zuckbucks cash. If nothing else, all the Libra hype helped us out, man. Got it out there and got people to look at crypto. Look at that. We got our rejection right at the $100. But the daily still looks good, guys. On Litecoin. Probably come up and test this top of this channel here on the daily. Like I said, the 4 hour looks topped out right now. Looking at this. That's not to say we can't break above this. We could break above this and start a whole new trend here. We'll have to wait and see what happens, but I still think all this looks pretty damn promising, guys. Joel Keck, you don't follow Libra news either? No, I get bits and pieces of news. Honestly, the most news I watch is Crypto Zombie, man. I watch his channel for, you know, the bits of news and kind of the feel of what's going on. Red Robin onion rings are the bomb. Hell yes, they are. Eat healthier. You can't spend all the money you make. Right on. My wife gets me about my eating all the time. Your review on ARP, please. I don't even know what the hell ARP is, to be honest with you. Oh, XRP. I'm not even gonna get into it. If you can make money off it, great. But I'm not even gonna get to into the XRP thing. Kirby's coming. Holy shit, I'm scared. Double bottom on Bitcoin daily chart and RSI. You know, I was looking at that, but it's, you know, this almost looks like a Adam and Eve forming, possibly, but obviously we won't have confirmation yet. But double bottom, it could be. We got to make a new high first to be able to confirm that. But yeah, if we get up to this, actually I'll move that up a little bit, up to that 11,700 range, somewhere in there, depending on where we break this line. But yeah, once we break this trend line, then we go up to our higher targets here, guys. That will be fun. Let's talk crypto. I haven't eaten in 27 hours. A boss said, what do you think about the Charlie Lee prediction of 330,000 by December 2021? It's possible, man. I mean, anything can happen. I hate to look that far ahead, but I mean, anything could happen. I'm focused on this year. Vicky said, I'm hoping to be the proud owner of one entire Bitcoin by the end of the weekend. Only need to buy 0.8. I did it in small bites at a time. Took a while, but I'm nearly there. Nice. That's the way to do it. Air boss. Hey boss, what do you think about Char? Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, I don't doubt it, man. You know, 5 to 10 years, Bitcoin could be $1 million a Bitcoin. Who knows? Charlie said get 1 Bitcoin, then get Litecoin. Yeah, he did. He said that. I think it was in 2017 or maybe it's 2018. He said to at least have 1 Bitcoin before you buy any other. Boston, 12K rejection, then 8.5 to close the gap. That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. All right, man. It could be. It very well could be. I'm not saying that it's impossible, but I honestly don't think the 8.5 gap is going to be filled. This, unless this yellow trend line is the reversal trend line, then yeah, I could see maybe going down to the 85 and testing this. But I have this white trend line in here, and you know, if that breaks, my next stop is down here. But if we were to go straight down from where that white, and thanks for the tip, by the way, Boston, and all the support, man. You've been around for a long time too. But yeah, around 9,100 or so would be the white line, and if we break that area, you know, then depending on where we hit this yellow line here, and this one was from all these wicks over here, and then we broke out here. So it's possible. It's possible. Not gonna say it's not possible, but I don't think it's gonna happen, to be honest. Hey Kentoshi, hi Savy, what's up, man? Confidence in the US dollar is waning. Steve Hubbs, Charlie Lee was right about getting out near December 2018 top and said Litecoin could go as low as 20 near the Litecoin 370 top. He may be right again. Yeah, definitely, man. I mean, he's a smart guy. He's been trading. I think I watched something on him where he said he used to trade gold and silver heavily until he got into crypto. He's definitely a smart trader, no doubt. GA Crypto said, if you have enough Litecoin to buy 1 Bitcoin, would you do it? Would you leave me about 11 Litecoin? You know, some people get so, you know, mad and in such heavy arguments about, you know, bullish and bearish case scenarios when, you know, that's what makes the market work. There's going to be bulls, there's going to be bears. If there wasn't people with different opinions, this market wouldn't work. Wouldn't be a market. It would either go straight up forever or to zero if everybody thought the same. I'm a new crypto person, but I'm excited. I don't come for money, so it's all on me. Kelly Orfield. Trump is going to crack down on crypto space as he sees Libra as the deep state's plan to launder US. I don't think so. I think Trump owns Bitcoin. The scarcity of it is appealing. Big time. Smartfurter said sativa or indica. Boston said both. Litecoin $250 and $500. Smurfherder says Boston depending on the time of the day. Laugh out loud. So anyways, yeah, and if you look at the volume, we are still in, we still have declining volume, and I do believe a big move is going to pop up, and it'll probably be when we break this. And I believe we're going to break that to the upside. Again, You know, like Boston said, maybe 85. But if we did have to close that gap, we might be sideways in this for quite a while. We'll have to see. I don't think that gap's gonna fill. That's just my opinion, though. In and out. Savvy, have you tasted it? In and out? No, I don't even know what that is. CME future gaps are making a headache. No doubt. They're just making people angry. But oh well, that's the market, man. If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it, right? Are we going to get up and get this 200 EMA on the 4 hour at about 101? I do believe so. I still want to see that 103 here. If we get that, we might start using this top trend line as support. But we'll see. You can see that the top of that long-term trend line, but we are in the 4 hour. That can come, it's peeking through. Go and zoom in a little bit, but it's a 4 hour, so you know it can come back down. It sticks with wherever the body's at. So did you see the BTC banned in the US? No, not at all, man. V-chain to $5 by December. Shill that coin. Why did Charlie Lee's brother disappear? I don't think he did disappear. Anthony M. Litecoin, Bitcoin is going to break out anytime. Damn, Smurfer. Appreciate it, brother. Thanks for the tip, man. Joseph Carey, are you talking about crypto or just reading comments? Well, I talked about it a little. There's not really more to talk about. I pretty much covered all this in my morning update. I get on here to kind of just, you know, get with the community, talk to the community, see what's going on, and, you know, just, that's why I do the live streams. You know, I do a little bit of TA in them, but, you know, right now we're at a turning point. I said what I could say, and, you know, like I said, here's a 4 hour Litecoin. Let's see where this candle closes. Most likely going to close, and RSI is going to come back down here and reset. Bitcoin, if you guys been watching the channel, you know I've been watching these 3 peaks here and how this reacted. It's like we keep getting the same reaction. I believe we're going to come back up here, and that's on the daily. 4 hour. 4 hour looks crazy. Might correct back down to this line in the RSI, which would be back down to that 98 and 99 area before the move up. Yeah, I had some other people talking about the chats. They said they didn't like watching the live streams because they were longer or whatever. It's not for everybody, you know. That I do this for the people that like it, just to hang out and kind of answer questions and just get to know each other a little bit and see what everybody's view is. I love doing that. I like doing the live streams because I get to, you know, interact live. I can do that in the Discord and stuff. As I don't get a whole lot of time to do that, it's just easier in the chat. Because it's a whole community together, it's just easier in here. Right on, Chase. I do. I'm just explaining why I do it this way. Charlie Lee says his brother is working on something, but Charlie won't elaborate. Interesting. I haven't heard nothing about it. He mentioned it in an interview with somebody. I don't know who that is. GA Crypto, I should have worded my question better. I only have Litecoin. If you have enough Litecoin to buy 1 Bitcoin, would you trade the Litecoin to buy a Bitcoin? It would leave me about 11 Litecoin. Would you? Again, that's your decision, man. You know, what do you feel comfortable with? What do you believe in? Rowdy TV, Savvy, what's up, man? I just love listening while I drive home from the slave job. I hear that, brother. Sedino says, Sedleno said, get a Bitcoin. Did you see Ledger X physical BTC futures? Any pump expected? That started today, right? I think they opened it up today. Amazon, Boston said. Bubba Vickery, SEC announced they were going to launch nodes to start mining cryptos, I believe. Yeah, I've seen something about that. I really didn't read it, but yeah, I seen it. Easy Effects Pro says ADA looks bullish. Bitcoin is the granddaddy of crypto. I would own more of that before alts. Yeah, I own about 70% Bitcoin, about 30% Litecoin, and I have a few very small amounts of shitcoins. That's another thing I wanted to talk about today is everybody looking for the alt season. I don't think it's going to be anything like it was last time. I could be dead wrong. This is just my opinion. But if you listen, everybody's talking about shitcoins and alt seasons and whatnot. And I think, I don't know. I just don't think it's going to be nothing like last time. There may be some coins that do well, but I don't think it's going to be all the, low cap shitcoins and all that crap. I don't think it's going to happen like that this time. I think that was a once in a lifetime crazy thing. Just buy Bitcoin and Litecoin regularly. Dollar cost average and hold, Steve Hubbs says. Steve, you're into gold and silver too, aren't you? That's a nice diversified portfolio, Steve. 65 Bitcoin, 22.5 Litecoin, alts 12.5%. Randy McMurphy, Bitcoin 60%, Litecoin 40%. Yeah, I know a lot of people, people have said I should get more alts and whatnot, but, everybody's different. I'm putting it in what I believe in, and that's what I believe in. Have a little silver now, used to have a lot. Gotcha. I've never dabbled in the gold and silver at all. Jason McGinns, given how tech is always advancing, is there any new coin project that's caught your attention? No, because I really don't pay attention to it too much. Bitcoin is gold, Litecoin is silver, Boston says. Easy Effects Pro said, I'm all in Litecoin, 100%. All right, guys. Well, like I said, if you guys are charting this, draw that in there, check it out, keep an eye on it. If we break through this, we could be having that up move right now. Very possible. Could be just as easy as this measured triangle. And it could just be a wick, but we could just get right up to that 10,180 range right out of this. See what happens. Ace1 said there's not enough Bitcoin to go around for everyone. I could see Bitcoin potentially catching a no bid on exchanges. No, because it can be, Bitcoin can be split into infinity. There's plenty of Bitcoin to go around for everyone, just not enough for everybody to own one. That's the beauty of it. What's up, King Guru? CA Crypto says, I think Bitcoin breaks 100 tonight. Very possible. Or Litecoin breaks 100 tonight. It's possible. I really want to watch this top trend line here on the RSI though. And like I said, it could break, and then it, you know, this whole trend's done and it started a new trend in the RSI. Looking at the price action. Why isn't this going? There it goes. But yeah, we could hit that 103 tonight. At least a 101.33 area would be the 200 EMA, and then this white trend line would be around the 102, 103 range. So yeah, it's definitely possible. Get a little RSI reset overnight. Might be, you might wake up to some serious green, guys. King Guru said, my opinion, we Litecoiners are going to 200 to 300 in the next 1 week or two. It's just me. Possible. Harry, good times. Savvy, thanks for the live stream. Always good to get everyone together. Smash the likes and join the Discord. Yeah, guys, smash the likes. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links. And like I said, definitely check out, I got a link down there to Crypto Watch. You guys, it can't hurt to check it out. It's free. Just, you know, it's also got a good alert system too. I was checking that out. I haven't really went through it all that much yet. I'm going to start playing with it a little more, but yeah, it definitely looks interesting to be able to, you know, do everything from one platform. So definitely check it out. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I will see you in the morning with the daily update. Hope everyone has a great night. I may pop into the Discord group for a little while. So thanks, guys. Appreciate you stopping by.